This is aboli. My friend says this is aboli. Aboli at its best.
Love you, nature.
Beautiful tulsi. Indian house is incomplete without the tulsi. And this is tulsi. It's been worshipped as God. It has lots of medicinal values and spiritual values too. Mogra, full of fragrance. Photo काढू शकते. Amla, the gooseberry. It has again its own medicinal properties and it's very good for health. Alfonso mango, king of fruits. This one is called as ATM because this is all time mango. They are so different in shape, size. Beautiful mangoes. Only nature can give it to us. They are so sweet, they are so delicious, very healthy, full of calcium, and so many multivitamins.